Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The Google Pixel 6a is a highly anticipated addition to the Pixel lineup, and it lives up to the expectation of Google. This mid-range smartphone offers a compelling combination of features, performances, and design. At the heart of its appeal is the impressive camera system and enhanced Google renowned technology, delivering stunning phone with exceptional low light performance. The clean and durable experience, coupled with timely updates. The Pixel 6a vibrant OLED display with accurate color reproduction and a 90 Hz refresh rate in perfect of various tasks and media consumption, powered by a capable mid-range chipset. The phone offers solid performance and a long-lasting battery, easily lasting a full day, and compact and premium design combined with 5G connectivity produce stylish and feature-proof device. Adorable pricing and different configuration options make it an attractive choice, although at lacks expandable storage. In summary, the Google Pixel 6a is a well-rounded mid-range smartphone that excels in photography and offers an exceptional and durable experience, making it an attractive option for budget consumers. Impressive camera system, the Pixel 6a inherits Google renowned camera technology, featuring a powerful shine camera that captures stunning photo and delivers exceptional low light performance. Google image processing continue to shine, providing sharp, vibrant, and true to life photo. Stock Android experience. Google Pixel devices are known for their clean and Android experience. The Pixel 6a runs that latest version of Android with timely update, ensuring a smooth and secure user experience. Vibrant display. The Pixel 6a boosts a crisp and vibrant OLED display with accurate color reproduction. It's great for media consumption, gaming, and everyday tasks. The 90 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and animation. Solid performance. Powered by a capable mid-range chipset, the Pixel 6a offers smooth multitasking and responsive performance. While it may not compete with flagship device in raw power, it's more than sufficient for everyday use. 5G connectivity with 5G support, the Pixel 6a in features proved for the fastest data speed and improved connectivity, ensuring you can enjoy the latest mobile network technology. Affordable pricing. The Google Pixel 6a strikes a great balance between feature and cost, making it an attractive choice for budget consumer who can want a premium and durable experience without the breaking the bank. Thanks for watching.